Can I just walk in here and bring you something relative to my own? This is a calculator. This is a piece of paper. Okay, now let's take a look at this. We come up in baseball, there's a top half and the bottom half of the same inning. Each team gets a full up at the plate, and each team gets a full up on the field. 1 and 1 is 2. So 2 offense and 2 defense for 1 inning. 2 and 1, 2 and 1, right? Because it's one team. 2 sides of the team, 2 sides of one team. Okay, both times. So this is what we're going to do. The word for off, O-F-F, equals to the 15th letter, the 06 letter, and the 06 letter, right? 1-5 equals 6, 06 equals 6, 06. Okay, now what we're going to do is, since 06, all zeros equal 6, we have to add 60, and 60 is 120. Plus we get 15 and 21, 27. Total of the 6's. 6 times 3, 6 plus 3. 18 and 9 equals to that perfect 27. 60 and 60 is 120. The total is 147 on the left side of the calculator. Off. Now when the 2 defenses go up, right? When the 2 defense goes up, that's 4, 5, and 6 equals to 15, right? 0, 0, 0 is 180 equals to 195. 195 is 195 across. 147 down. Leaving out 8. Leaving out 2, 3, and 6. 5 and 6, 11, 19. And putting together 15 and 11, 26, and 19. 2 and 6 and 1 and 9. That is the 7th gate, but that wouldn't make any relevance to anybody that doesn't understand the system yet. So what we're trying to understand is, I'm showing you how these became perfect. This became 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 195 is A, E, and I in the alphabet. The O in the alphabet and the U in the alphabet is owned by number 5, the 23 family, BC. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 is what creates 5. 65, because it's 5 within the circle. 147 is the left side. It equals to 12. It is a wing. It is the cycle. 7 times 4, 7 plus 4 equals to 39. 3 and 9 cycle. Isn't that funny? Because it's all about that way in baseball. That's now what you have to do is, I got 195 equals to 380. Actually, it equals to 386. Is 240 is 258, right? Where do we get this? I have to say 2 times this value is 294. Right? 47, 47. This is time of Christ. This is the spirit in time of Christ. The spirit comes out of the sun. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. How do we get 5 and 6? How do we create 5 and 6? 5 times 1, 5 plus 1. 5 and 6. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3. 5 and 6. 6 is an opposition, a polar. The only one that creates the light within 6 and 6. 6 and 6, the light within the crossing of the addition and the multiplication. This one is 2 times 195. This is 390, 90, 90, 90 on the clock. 90, 90, 90 is your pyramid. That's automatically 360 because you start at a point, you come out with 3 points. This one, the point, is 360 to 1 because the point is to all. It's 360 around the point, but it's only 90 away from all the sides, 90 in, 90 out. Is it 180 across diameter? What versus 360? What is that number again in order for me to get the right figure? Ding dong, I am. 2 times 360, 390 becomes 396. This becomes 396 over here. This one becomes 294. 2 times this is 294. 2 times 94 is 188. 818, same result. 8 around 1 connected to 6. The other one came out, the figure, I have to remember what that figure is. I'm starting not to like this video, which is this. Oh yes, when I said it was 380, became 386, and I made that mistake because 386, right? 3 times 80 is 240. It becomes 258, and the 258 becomes the center line right down here. See, this and this is halfway houses. These corners, this corner to this world, this corner to that world, this corner to that world, this corner to that world. You can't put all the balls on top of each other, right? And if you do, it creates one world. Boom, 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 boom. Because you can't take the area space of another unless you can make the bubbles join. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.